Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two innocent Kashmiri youth in the Kupwara district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during a fake encounter in the garb of cordon and search operation in Machil area of the district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over terror and fear situation created by more than 1 million Indian Forces personnel engaged in the worst kind of gross human rights violations in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the illegally detained APHC chairman Musarrat Alam Butt, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, urged the UN to impress upon New Delhi to stop widespread grave human rights abuses in occupied Kashmir. India has been witnessing rising tide of Hindu fascism since Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of the country in 2014. According to Kashmir Media Service, Narendra Modi is systematically advancing its Hindutva policies in occupied Kashmir and across India. He has made India a dangerous place for Muslims and other minorities to live. Indian government and judiciary are hand in glove to mete out discriminatory treatment to Muslims in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Supreme Court's verdicts in 2002 anti-Muslim riots in Gujarat state and the 1992 demolition of the Babri Masjid are glaring examples of the anti-Muslim bias in the country. The Indian Apex Court closed all the proceedings related to the Gujarat riots and demolition of the Babri Masjid. Students from occupied Kashmir studying in Jhansi city of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh were assaulted by the local students. According to Kashmir Media Service, the local students severely beat up the Kashmiri students, the school manager informed the police. Peace activist has described the situation in the violence-hit Indian state of Manipur the extreme culpability of a partisan state. According to Kashmir Media Service, the activist Harsh Mandar, during his visit to Manipur, met with the Methi and the Kuki families broken by the ethnic violence. Hundreds of Sikhs staged protest demonstration outside the Golden Temple in Amritsar city of the Indian state of Punjab, demanding punishment for the killers of the Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Canada. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protesters holding posters of Nijjar shouted slogans asking India to stop extrajudicial operations against the Sikh seeking creation of an independent state by separating Punjab from India. As part of the India's hegemonic designs, Indian Air Force is going to purchase 156 more Prachand light combat helicopters, which would be deployed at the line of control and the line of actual control. According to Kashmir Media Service, this is one of the biggest pushes for Narendra Modi-led Indian government's Make in India in the defense sector.